Okay, GT80, this is for you. You said you wanted to hear it running, so here it goes. I'm going to do it one-handed. I think the valves need adjusting a little bit. Apart from that, it's not bad. Runs really good. Yeah, apart from the valves, I think I'm really happy with the complete engine swap. My makeshift air filter cover, and couldn't be happier. It's got plenty of power. Gee, I think I go around with the lawn sweeper with about quarter throttle in second gear, which is almost too fast. So yeah, I really like it. And if you look over here, it's still a bit close on the old grill there, but I can live with that. Maybe I'll move it a bit better later. So, and my deck, I'm halfway through sanding it, and my blade mount, halfway through getting it all sorted out. So, and my new D-stones tri-ribs. Yeah, I'm trying to stretch them on those stupid 8-inch rims, but we'll see. So, well, thanks and for looking, and see you later.